we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So I'm looking at two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Pro, BES 878BTR, and the Jura Impressa C9. What do you think?
Okay, let's see. The Breville is a semi-automatic, right? And the Jura is super automatic. That's a big difference right off the bat.
Yeah, I noticed that. The Breville seems like it gives you more control. You grind, tamp, and extract. The Jura, basically does everything for you with one touch.
Exactly. The Breville has an integrated conical burr grinder, adjustable grind control, and manual milk texturing, so it's more hands-on. The Jura, being super automatic, probably prioritizes convenience. It has a 64 ounces water tank.
The Breville has a thermojet heating system that heats up in 3 seconds. That's pretty fast. The Jura, being an older model, probably takes a little longer.
True. The Breville also boasts precise temperature control, PID, which is important for espresso extraction. Do we know if the Jura has that?
I don't see anything specific about PID in the Jura's details. It's also listed as renewed, which means it's pre-owned and refurbished. The Breville is new, although it looks like it's an older model.
That's a key point. The Jura is renewed, so there's a potential for issues down the line, even with the Amazon Renewed guarantee. The Breville has a 2-year warranty.
Okay, so the Breville is 19.5 pounds, and the Jura is listed at 0.01 ounces, which is surely an error. The Breville's dimensions are 13.5 dx 13.9 wx 16 inches h, while the Jura is much bigger at 21.6x 19.2x 18.8 inches. That's quite a difference in size.
Yeah, the Jura is definitely bulkier. It sounds like the Breville is better for someone who wants to learn the art of espresso and doesn't mind a bit of a learning curve. The Jura is for someone who just wants a good espresso with minimal effort.
Right, and the Breville has tons of videos showing how to use it, and the Jura has none. The Breville has a discount, and I can buy it new. I also like the stainless steel milk jug included with the Breville. I'm leaning towards the Breville, but I'll keep thinking about it. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.